Hey guys, what's up? Tyler here with Revered Beards, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about and reviewing this beard straightener from Brooklyn Beard. So I've used a bunch of different beard products, combs, straighteners, brushes over the past couple years, and I got to say, this one is definitely one of my favorites, and I'm going to go into further detail about why that is. And so this beard straightener is pretty easy to use. It just has a button where you can turn it on, and then it has three different levels of heat that you can choose from. The first level is 302 degrees Fahrenheit, the second is 356 degrees Fahrenheit, and the third is 410 degrees Fahrenheit. And I also put the Celsius down in the description below in case you're curious about that as well. You don't live in the land of Fahrenheit. And I find that the 410 degrees Fahrenheit setting works pretty well for me. I have a really thick beard, and so the extra heat definitely helps. I really don't use the lower settings that much because I find it just takes me a lot longer. So I prefer using the higher settings because it seems to work better for me. So you could try a higher setting and then maybe bump down to lower settings to see if the lower ones can work for you. But everybody's beard is a little bit different, so everybody's going to have different experiences with the different temperatures. And so once you turn on the beard straightener to your desired temperature, it'll blink as it's warming up, and then after it's solid, then you can start using it. And it's just pretty simple to use. You just run it through your beard. I find that running it slower seems to work a bit better. You don't have to take as many brushes through your beard. And the slower you go, the more time the heat's obviously going to be on your beard. Now, you don't want to go too slow because you might end up burning your beard hairs, and that would be a bad situation, or just really drying them out. But I just take a nice, steady approach. And as you can see from this video, my beard, whenever I get out of the shower, it's definitely curly. It's really thick. And just using a beard comb, like a non-heated beard comb, just running it through it doesn't really help me at all. When it gets to this length, it just starts curling up like crazy. And so I need to use a heated beard brush or a heated beard straightener to kind of tame it and get it under control. And as you can see, this brush is definitely doing that. Another one of my favorite features about this straightening brush is that I do not get burnt whenever I use it. I can easily just slide it over my top of my lip, down onto my chin, and I don't burn my lips, I don't burn my neck or my skin or anything. I used a brush before where I was getting burnt if I have it at a certain angle on my neck. Had not had that issue at all with this straightener, and so it definitely gets an A+ on the anti-scald department because I haven't burnt myself at all with this thing. Another thing to note while you're using this is that it's extremely light and it's slim, so it's not super bulky, it's not heavy, it's just easy to use. And one of my favorite features, which is often underrated on any type of heated product that you're using on your hair or your face or whatever, is a swivel cord. Because sometimes you're just at a certain angle, and like right here, if I would flip it around, it just rotates easily. I don't have the cable jumping up in front of my face and having to turn the whole mess around. No, if you have a swivel cable, it's easy, it gets out of the way, and I might be a little bit excited about this more than I should, but I'm a big fan of swivel cables because they just make life a lot easier. Now, I know you guys are all very responsible, and this definitely will not happen to you, but if by some chance you are using this and you forget to unplug it from the wall, there is an auto shut off feature that after a set amount of time, it does turn off, because if it be left on all day at 410 degrees, that obviously could be a bad thing. This cable is plenty long enough for a beard straightener. I'm not sure how long it is exactly, but you can see, like, here's the end as I'm pulling it through. I mean, this thing is plenty long enough where you can plug it in at a sink or beside a sink. You know, if you're traveling, there's not always a plug anywhere nearby. Usually, this should be able to get you to a mirror or somewhere where you can just watch yourself, brush your beard. Long story short, the cable is plenty long enough, and that is very appreciated. Now, one thing I do want to mention is how you hold this beard straightener. Here on the handle, there are some grips that you can kind of put your hand on, and it contours to your hand very well. But just be wary of the top of the back of the straightener. It does get a little bit warm. It doesn't get super hot where if you touch it, like, you're going to be scalded and burnt. But it is going to be pretty warm on the top of this beard straightener. But that really doesn't affect at all how you use it or the use. It's just something to keep in mind so you don't go grabbing it on the top whenever it's hot and then you can be completely shocked because your hand's pretty hot. And the last thing I want to mention about this straightener is that it's just not limited to just your beard. You could easily just use this for your hair too if you just wanted to use it to straighten your beard and your hair. It works well for both. And so overall, I really enjoy this beard straightener from Brooklyn Beard. It just pretty much does anything you need a beard straightener to do. It's portable, lightweight, easy to use, nice swivel cable. Doesn't burn you whenever you use it. That's an amazing thing. And it's just easy to use and has enough temperature settings to where I feel that really anybody with any type of beard can get their beard under control because, hey, I got a wavy beard. It's really hard to maintain sometimes, and this handles it with no problem. It takes me a couple extra brushes, but because my beard's a little bit thicker than I think a lot of other people's. But hey, it does the job and it does it well. And so if you guys have any questions or comments about this Brooklyn Beard straightener, leave them down in the comment section below. And I'll also be dropping some links where you guys can visit Brooklyn Beard's website. You can check out this straightener along with many other different products that they have. And I just want to thank them for sending this out for review. It is very appreciated. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. Also remember to subscribe for more videos from me. Hit that bell icon so you're notified whenever new videos go live. We're making videos on beards, how-tos, reviews, tutorials, beard products like beard oils, balms, conditioners, shampoos, beard brushes, really anything beard related. And so beard related, not beer related. Make sure I clarify. And so that's going to be it for this one. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.